welcome back to SmartPath Tutoring. This video is on GCSE Physics, more uses of EM waves. Fiber optic cables use visible light to transmit data. Number 1. Optical fibers are thin glass or plastic fibers that carry data, for example, telephone or internet signals, over long distances as pulses of visible light. Number 2, the light travels along the cable by total internal reflection. Number 3, the light rays repeatedly bounce off inside the surface of the fiber. This keeps the light trapped inside the cable. And number 4, visible light is used because it can carry large amounts of information very quickly. Ultraviolet radiation gives you a suntan. Number 1, some substances are fluorescent, meaning that they absorb ultraviolet UV radiation and that they emit visible light. This is why fluorescent materials appear to glow under UV light. Number 2, security marking pens use fluorescent ink. The writing is almost visible in normal light. Under UV light, it glows, making it useful for security marking and anti-counterfeiting. Number 3, sunbeds emit UV radiation. UV causes the skin to produce more melanin. Melanin is the pigment that gives skin a tan. Number 4, however, too much UV exposure is dangerous. It can damage skin cells, increase the risk of skin cancer, and damage the eyes. Number 5, because UV radiation can be harmful, it should always be used carefully and safely. X-rays and gamma rays are used in medicine. X-rays. Radiographers in hospitals use X-rays to produce images of bones and teeth. X-rays pass easily through soft tissue but are absorbed much more by bone. This creates a contrast that allows bones to be seen clearly on an X-ray image. The brighter, whiter areas of an X-ray image show where more X-rays have been absorbed. This is because dense materials absorb more X-rays than soft tissue. Gamma rays. Gamma rays can be used to treat cancer. A beam of gamma radiation is directed at the tumor from outside the body. Gamma rays kill cancer cells by damaging their DNA. Because gamma rays are ionizing radiation, they can also damage healthy cells. To reduce exposure, hospital staff leave the room during the treatment. They stand behind lead shielding or protective screens, and the dose is carefully controlled. Key facts to remember. Visible light. It is used in fiber optic cables. It carries information as pulses of light, travels by total internal reflection, and can transmit data quickly over long distances. Ultraviolet UV uses. Security marking, fluorescent lamps and materials, sunbeds for tanning. The risks of UV is that it can damage skin cells, increases the risk of skin cancer, and can damage eyes. Key facts to remember. X-rays are used in medical imaging and viewing bones and teeth. Their properties are that they can pass through soft tissue and absorbed more by dense materials such as bone. Gamma rays uses treating cancer, radiotherapy, and the risks of gamma rays include ionizing radiation can damage healthy cells and exposure should be kept as low as possible. Exam tips. Visible light is used in fiber optic cables because it can carry data by total internal reflection. UV radiation causes fluorescent materials to glow and stimulates melanin production for tanning. X-rays are absorbed more by bone than by soft tissue. Gamma rays are used to destroy cancer cells but must be carefully controlled because they can also damage healthy tissue. And X-rays and gamma rays are ionizing, so prolonged or unnecessary exposure can be harmful. That's the end of the video. I hope that you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.